What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm still here in the lab. I did not make it to NAMM this year. Sorry to disappoint you guys. But the people who did go to NAMM, some of them sent me some really cool products, and the first one that we have here is the DAS Audio Altea 712A amplified speaker. These are powered speakers. They have many different speakers over at DAS Audio. They have line array speakers. They also have installation club speakers. They've been in the business for over 25 years. They have amplifiers, they have rack mount equipment, they have all types of sound equipment that you guys are going to need for any type of situation. They have all types of stage monitors. They have everything that you guys could ever think of. So head on over to DAS Audio's website so you can see all of the different lines and all of the different speakers that they offer. This is the 12-inch 712A, or the A712 amplified edition speaker. They come in passive editions as well, but most mobile DJs these days are into using amplified or active speakers, so that way they don't have to have a separate amp and a separate speaker, and it's all inside of one enclosure. They have many different lines of the Alteas. They have the 400 range, and this is the 700 range. The 400s look very similar, but they don't have all of the same power and functions as the 712As. So we decided to take a look at the 712As because this is one of their top of the line speakers that you're going to use for your mobile DJ style applications when you need to take the speakers with you on the go, and you need them to not be so crazy heavy and just be the right size, so that way you can bring them to and fro for all of your gigs. So let's just open up the box and go over what we have here and see exactly what we have when you do unbox it. Again, this is the 712A, which is the 12-inch woofer edition. They also have a 715A, which is the 15-inch woofer edition. So let's go ahead and get these out of the bag and let you see exactly what we have. Alright, so the first thing we get at the top of the box is a really quick safety precaution guide and a warranty guide. Probably has instructions in there as well. And the next thing that we have in the box here is, of course, your power cable. This is for your power, of course. And next we have this huge speaker itself. Alright, so here we have it. Right on the front we have this cool honeycomb style shape of grill. Very sturdy, nice and metal grill here. We have your horn at the top that I can see through the grill. We also have your 12-inch woofer here on the bottom. You have your DAS logo here. But it does feel solid and very weighted. Has handles here on the sides, on both sides. Also has a handle on the top. It also has these little protruding areas here, so that way you can put these as a wedge when you have them on their sides. So that way you can use them for like a stage wedge. On the bottom, we have an adjustable pole screw here, so that way you can put this on top of your different bass cabinets or on your speaker stands. And here on the back, we have your DSP, your digital audio management screen, along with a big oversized knob for your volume. You also have your channel 1 and channel 2 mixers here because you have dual inputs, which are both TRS and XLR. You also have an output here that is XLR. And you can change the switch to have channel 1, channel 2, or a mix of the two. You also have an auxiliary input here, so that way you can plug in something like an iPhone or any type of phone or any type of computer device that you have right into this little mini jack. That's a really cool feature to have. And it also works with Bluetooth mode, so that way you can stream wireless music directly to the speaker. You also have your power switch on the bottom, along with your power input. So we're going to have the full out review video for the pair of these that we have within the next couple weeks, so make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like videos like this one, and as always, thanks for watching.